This is up by Spur Tree in Manchester. At the top of Spur Tree Hill. Roof of a building. Power lines, utility lines are down. There's damage to this roof. What's your name, sir?
My name is Randy there. As the guys can see, the damage is pretty extensive. With what is going on the road now, there was a shed over there, so everything about 5 o'clock all this happened. Everything blow down, light pole damage, and all of that. As you can see, there is some damage to my roof there. Trees, but we survived. You know, we have seen the worst of it. We have survived. Thank to God. It could have been worse. We're giving thanks. But basically, what you're seeing here, this is the effect of Beryl. But we're happy that we survived.
You were prepared?
As much as we could. Inside the house we get flooding, which was expected. We are now doing cleaning up inside the house. Like I said, the roof, there's not much really damage, so we have to give thanks for that. But we're happy. We survived. We're happy. We are just waiting on the authority now to come and get this thing up and running that we can, you know, get out the place and move. But that's about it. That's about it.